Meaning of hyperinflation.
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 Hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is an economic situation characterized by an extremely rapid and excessive increase in prices, causing the value of currency to depreciate rapidly. This phenomenon often occurs when a country experiences significant political or economic instability, leading to a loss of confidence in its currency. The result of hyperinflation can be devastating, causing widespread poverty, unemployment, and social unrest. It can also lead to a breakdown in the functioning of the economy and the collapse of financial institutions. In extreme cases, hyperinflation can result in an almost complete devaluation of a nation's currency.